Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, first you will have to press FN button located next to your Windows button in order to unlock secondary functions of the function keys, and then press F12 button to take a screenshot. And to take a screenshot you have to make a selection on your screen using the left key of your mouse. So once you make this selection, the screenshot will be automatically taken, and by clicking on this notification in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to preview your screenshot. You can also rotate the screenshot, save it using the save icon. You can copy it using this icon. You can identify text using this one, and you can also crop it using this icon right here. Zoom in and out and make it full screen. If you like to remove full screen effect, press escape. Now to go to the screenshots location, you can either click this icon right here or just go to File Explorer, then see Honor Share Screenshot, and here is the screenshot that I just took. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.